Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm just going to the front door because the postman's just been. Crazy bear. Only been up for like half an hour, which is pretty bad, but still the mornings. So I've got this package from Love Tie-Dye on Instagram. I'll leave everything down below in case any of you guys are interested. But she's just sent me, oh my god, it's so cute, matching sweater and socks. And look how gorgeous, it's like lemon tie-dye. I'm literally obsessed with this colour at the minute. But she's wrapped it all so cute. Look at the socks. They're literally the cutest things ever. I'm definitely gonna pop this on today, I think. I want to be in like a cozy chilled outfit. I've got a lot that I want to do today. So I feel like this weekend I've spent it. Me and Aiden have been obviously spending some time together, like doing bits. Me and Karen have been working on consistency a lot, but I haven't really had time to like work on my own stuff and like editing my own stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, aren't I, Barney? This is what I'll be doing. Everyone's missed you on the vlog. Yeah, sorry I haven't been vlogging too much. At the weekend I've just been like binge watching Sherlock, spending time with Aiden now that he's back home and we can obviously see each other more. Also, if any of you have watched Sherlock, I really understand why, because it is literally such a good series that I don't know why I haven't watched it sooner. Like, honestly, genuinely baffles me that I haven't watched it. Jump in the shower and sort my face and life out. So apparently Barney's an influencer now. No, Barney just won this giveaway and he's got his own personalised Zoflora, which is hilarious. He's really chuffed with himself, aren't you? You're the most chuffed little bunny I have ever seen. Ah, he's so hot and bothered. He's gone really like blonde on his tail, hasn't he? Like his tail looks really blonde and there's like bits on his ears in the sun that look really blonde too. Right, so I am now ready. I've just been sat chatting on my Instagram stories and I actually thought I'd take this to the vlog as well in case any of you guys can give me some of your amazing insider knowledge. This weekend I have been in absolute agony. Some of you who've watched me for a long time will know that I have excruciating period pains. It knocks me out for about 3-4 days of my period. So I basically can't function, can't move, vomit, faint, cry, all of the above. And I have had it since I started my period pretty much. Actually, no, it was probably like a couple years into my period. I started my period when I was 9, and then I started getting like pains really severely in like year 7 and 8. And I'd be like taken home from school like 3-4 days of the week. And yeah, it was just pretty bad, to be honest. So doctors put me on loads of different pills. They've always been super dismissive towards me, just been like, oh, try this pill and go, like not really listening to my symptoms and proper taking on that it could be something way worse than just like period pains, because what I feel is not normal. Like, it's not normal for someone to feel excruciating pain where they're like vomiting, fainting. Like, that's just not right. And I know before lots of you guys on my vlogs as well have suggested endometriosis, and that's what everyone seems to be doing on Instagram as well. A lot of people seem to think that I've got endometriosis, and to be fair, I'm not ruling it out. I'm not self-diagnosing myself either, but 1 in 10 women have endometriosis and no one even talks about it. And it's basically where there's like tissue that is growing on your endometrium that can like affect fertility, and it just creates like agonizing pain in like the womb, bloating, like severe bloating, constipation, migraines, fainting, vomiting, like literally all the symptoms that I get while I'm on my period. So yeah, I'm definitely not ruling it out, but I think when I can go to the doctors and because obviously right now it's not really an emergency, like I'm not dying from it, even though it does feel like it. I don't think it's classed as an emergency, so I don't know what the deal is with going to the doctors at the minute. So as soon as I can, I will go and I'll update you guys. But yeah, if you have any other suggestions, I was talking about if anyone knows what I can use to soothe. The only thing that's been working to soothe my pains are the BU period patches, and that I always talk about, but I've actually ran out of them this month, annoyingly. So I had to just go without, and I've literally had the worst weekend ever in terms of period pains. It like knocked me out, barely could do anything or function, and I just want to be able to function for 4 weeks of the month, you know, like normal people. So yeah, I've been just sort of like looking into that this morning. Yeah, just thought I'd have a random chat about it, you know. I've been going through my to-do list and everything and ticking things off and having a little snack. So I've got the Hippies cheesy flavour, which are my actual favourites. I'm such a basic bitch, but I just love like just the plain cheese, you know, no crazy flavours going on. But these are so peng. They're vegan. I used to get these all the time from Holland and Barrett when they were on sale. But it came in my Degusta box this month, so I'm absolutely buzzing. Packaged up, I'm going to cover everyone's addresses. I've packaged up some of my Depop parcels that I need to go take to the post office. I'm just waiting for my mum to get back with the car. And lol, why does it look like there's like some weird mark on my hand when there's nothing in real life? Terrifying. Literally just remembered, also I did my first virtual open day for the University of Lincoln on Saturday. I wasn't actually vlogging much at the weekend like we've established, but there are 2 more open days in July. I can't really remember what the dates are exactly, they're in my diary, but I'll make sure I notify you guys. I did on Instagram just before I went live, and some of you have been watching, watched me live stream for the University of Lincoln. I literally just talked about my personal experience, the facilities that I've used at the university, why I love the city, and just literally had full reign of me chatting about university, and people could send in live questions if they wanted to, but I already had like a sort of a presentation-ish that I'd prepared myself. So yeah, feel free to join for the other virtual open days if you are a prospective student looking to go and study at the University of Lincoln. Because yeah, I found it really fun, and it's nice that I'm still getting to work with them and have like that connection with my university, even though I'm like kind of finished now. Right, so just in the car, I'm actually in my new little, it's actually probably too warm for this, but I was dying to wear it. So it's my new lemon tie-dye jumper from the wonderful girls at Love Tie-Dye on Instagram that sent them today. And then I'm wearing my matching, let's make myself get in an awkward position, wearing the matching lemon Nike socks that they sent, which is fab. Where I'm literally obsessed with this little like patent lilac shoulder bag that I got from Boohoo. It's in my recent Boohoo haul on my main channel. Obsessed. I love like clashing pastels at the minute, that's my favourite thing. But yeah, I'm just heading to the post office. I've just got a couple of Depop parcels. I usually take my Depop stuff on Mondays/Tuesdays. Monday this week, just because I'm organised. I'm an organised bitch today. I've been going through my to-do list, and I usually do that from like orders that have come in Friday to Sunday, and then any orders through the week I usually do Thursday, Friday. So yeah, I always am updating my Depop constantly because I end up finding loads of clothes, loads of old clothes that I don't wear anymore here and there in my house. So yeah, make sure you go follow me and check me out on Depop, and let's go to the post office. Woo! So I'm also just picking up some Activia yogurts as well because these are my favourites and I really wanted them for some breakfast later on in the week. Right, so I am now at Aiden's. We're just chilling in his garden, obviously. Just on the little swingy chair at the end of the garden here. Loving my life. Then my new little lemon jumper that I'm loving. Aiden's just gone in because I think he's got a delivery. Yeah, I'm just chilling in the garden, loving my life. It's like a really nice, like sunny, well not sunny, warm evening. 7 o'clock. And yeah, I've just been out here chatting, chilling. Just before I came to Aiden's, my brother really helped me get like a good shot because I've got my last part of my Activia campaign going up on Instagram later on this week. David helped me get the shots that I wanted. So I've got some little photos to look through here. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all having a nice week so far, or weekend whenever this goes up. Ready? So it's actually Tuesday morning now, and we've just gone and grabbed some coffees from Bewitched. It's like our local coffee shop. They're really good, so we just got some for me, Aiden and Louis. Me and Aiden both got vanilla iced coffees with oat milk, and we got Louis a vanilla milkshake. Yum.